What if you could mix the robustness of a conventional scissor lift with the lightweight and compact footprint of a push-around? Leonardo HD represents a more efficient way of working at low heights, allowing contractors to be more competitive and rental companies to differentiate their product offering. It is different from any other product, as it features a mix of unique characteristics, combining a low-weight and ultra-compact footprint with a sturdy construction and unmatched ground clearance. You would quite literally need to combine multiple models from different brands to obtain the Leonardo HD. Leonardo HD will allow you to travel and work where other machines wouldn't. One operator can complete a variety of jobs in limited access areas, reducing the need for scaffolding, ladders, and push-around equipment. In wider spaces, the compact footprint and zero turn of the Leonardo HD allow for many more units to be present on the job site than regular scissor lifts, creating a situation where each operator will be using his own machine, vastly increasing worksite efficiency and cutting time and costs. The Leonardo HD by Bravi Platforms is the piece of equipment that allows contractors to accurately assess and measure worksite productivity, combining innovative work practices, superior work comfort, and a highly attractive cost-profit ratio. With a work height of 4.9 meters, it is used in a wide range of industries and applications. Due to its astonishing ground clearance of 87 millimeters, combined with ultra-compact footprint, it boasts exceptional maneuverability in tight spaces, effectively making a difference during the early stages of the building project. The dual decks, extendable with a quick foot release, can be easily pushed out to expand the work area of the operator, allowing for ample space for the worker and any additional materials. The central position of the mast allows the operator to comfortably work on all four sides, a 360-degree visibility and better outreach, extra low entry point, avoid fatigue and injury risks by allowing operators to comfortably board and exit the platform through its less than 16-inch entry step and essential swing gate. Low maintenance, energy efficient, environmentally clean, with a pioneering 10-year guaranteed special 2.9-meter aluminium alloy mast that will surpass your expectations. Now available with optional AGM batteries that don't require the operator to check the water levels, a considerable factor if you're a rental company and definitely less hassle if you're the one renting. Installing drywall is usually a two-man job. Meet Solo Gyps. It greatly simplifies the positioning of panels, saving manpower and allowing one man to perform the work on his own. No more clunky manual drywall lifts. The Solo Gyps makes the job safer and more productive. Even the setup of this device requires no tools. Once you're done, it is quickly removable for easy storage. If you compare the Leonardo to any other way you could get the job done, the Leonardo HD allows the worker to double his output and to do so safely and comfortably. The operator no longer wastes valuable energy climbing up ladders or manually moving the rolling scaffold and push-around lifts. Outperforming most access equipment, the Leonardo HD is the first piece of equipment to get on the job site and the last to leave. Cut conventional choices and allow each operator to do more. Finish your project early by giving each operator a lift, because the Leonardo HD will always fit the job site.